Hi.
So, we've been moving.
Yes.
It's been wonderful. Moving is fantastic.
Hooray.
Pure joy. Okay, so every Thanksgiving, like we live in Texas, all your family is in Texas, even though they are Yankees, aren't they?
Most of them are from New York.
But they all live in Texas, and all of my family's in New York. So we have Thanksgiving at your family. And a couple years ago, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, I brought Hasselback potatoes. You know, like potatoes, you just slice them and bake them for like 50 times longer than the internet claims you're supposed to bake them. And everybody was blown away. They were like,
you
oh
blew
my
minds.
God. Right?
Uh-huh.
And now they have not asked, they've demanded, like, bring this every year, right? Like, this is, like, they were, like, I brought them before everybody ate. Like, people saw them and they were just, you know.
Oh, yeah, like appetizer.
Yeah, they were like, oh, shit, right? And they were gone in like 2 seconds. I clearly didn't bring enough. Okay. The point of this isn't that I'm a badass and I'm patting, well, kind of, but not really. A little bit. In addition to me patting myself on the back, there's more to the story.
Continue.
Well, people demand that, one person demanded I bring it every year, okay? Now here's the thing. I don't want to bring it every year. I want the pats on the back to get bigger. To get bigger and brighter. It's totally selfish. I want to dazzle them in new ways. It's like, that's old hat, right?
I feel that way.
You want me to dazzle them more? Or you want to be dazzled more at Thanksgiving?
Both.
Okay. I don't want to bring it. I don't. Like, they're like, ooh, you should bring that. And you'll bring this. And it's like, no, I'm not bringing shit. And it's like, and here's the fucked up thing. If I don't have anything, I'm inspired. Like, I know I don't want to make that again because it's old hat. I already did it. I want to dazzle bigger and better. And if I can't think of something better, I don't want to do that. Isn't that fucked up? It's so selfish. And the other thing that's kind of fucked up about it is that's not how I eat. Like, when I go somewhere, like, I don't want the chef to dazzle me. Like, just make the thing I want. Like, I don't need any whining and dining. No. Like, who cares about patting you on the back? I want old hat. It makes no sense. It's total bullshit, right? And I have, like, these really, like, complex ideas of dazzling people. Like, it's not about the pat on the back of somebody saying this is delicious. Like, that's like, there's like this algorithm of patting on the back, there's like 10 pieces to it or something, and someone congratulating the flavor is like the smallest piece. Like, I don't even care about that. Like, I could feel dazzled. No, but I've done that. I've brought shit where nobody likes it, and I'm like, you guys don't even know about this. Yeah. You're sleeping on this recipe.
I know that too.
Where you're like, that's fine, more for me. Yeah. So selfish, but it's true. Like, there's so many elements, and I kind of do that with this blog a little bit, where it's like, there's a lot of pieces to the algorithm, and most people aren't picking up on any of them, but I'm picking up on all of them, and it's about me, and that's what's going on.
Well, you get the pat on the back.
For what?
You get all the trophies.
Nobody gives a shit about that. They just want some delicious potatoes, and I'm like trying to do some sort of Olympic award winning, and this, like, we just give us, you know, it's like nobody else is bringing Olympic award winning. And the thing is, nobody cares. Like, just, I care, but that's not the point. I used to work with this guy, Aaron, and he told me this story of somebody bringing a tried recipe. Nobody wants your tried recipe, right? my whole blog is tried recipes. It's like he wants people to be tried and true. Don't make something you've never made and display it for everyone to find out if it's good or not. And I'm like, dude, I was dying. I live and breathe. This blog doesn't exist. If I'm not trying a recipe while filming it, I mean, if it fails, I'm obviously not going to post it. Or ever make it. I'm not going to also try again later. That's pretty rare for me to be like, well, this tried recipe didn't work.
Always been like that?
Always been like what? Just throwing shit at
like
the wall,
I
seeing
feel like
what.
you've always done that.
Well, it's either that or follow a recipe, and that's not going to work. Good old tried recipes. Peace.